Does a neatly buttoned shirt or a well-ironed skirt really make a difference? Is there a connection between tidy dressing and success? You might be surprised to realize that the answer is a resounding yes. In the next 6 minutes, we're going to delve into the importance of neat and tidy dressing. It's more than just an aesthetic choice, it's a statement about who you are and what you represent. Firstly, neat and tidy dressing promotes professionalism. Whether you're in a school environment or a workplace, the way you dress sends a message to those around you. Dressing neatly communicates that you take your responsibilities seriously, that you respect your environment, and that you care about the impression you make on others. Secondly, dressing neatly enhances self-confidence. When you look good, you feel good. Wearing neat and clean clothes can boost your self-esteem and make you feel more prepared to face the day's challenges. It's not about wearing expensive clothes, but about presenting yourself in the best possible way. Thirdly, neat and tidy dressing fosters a sense of discipline. It requires effort and consistency to maintain a neat appearance. This discipline can spill over into other areas of life, encouraging punctuality, organization, and a greater sense of responsibility. Moreover, dressing neatly can also impact how others perceive you. People often form first impressions based on appearances. A neat and tidy appearance can help you make a positive first impression, which can open doors to new opportunities. Lastly, neat and tidy dressing supports good hygiene. Clean and well-maintained clothes can help prevent skin issues, allergies, and infections. It's not just about looking good, it's also about staying healthy. So to sum it up, dressing neatly and tidily is important for several reasons. It promotes professionalism, enhances self-confidence, fosters discipline, impacts perception, and supports good hygiene. Remember, dressing neatly doesn't mean you need to sacrifice your personal style. You can still express your individuality while maintaining a neat and tidy appearance. It's about finding the balance between self-expression and respect for the environment you're in. So the next time you select your outfit, remember the importance of neat and tidy dressing. Not only does it help you make a good impression, but it also reflects your attitude towards your responsibilities, boosts your self-confidence, encourages discipline, and supports your health. In the grand scheme of things, a neatly buttoned shirt or a well-ironed skirt might seem trivial, but as we've discussed, the impact of neat and tidy dressing goes far beyond aesthetics. It's a small but significant step towards success. After all, as the saying goes, dress for the job you want, not the job you have. So keep it neat, keep it tidy, and remember, the way you dress is a reflection of who you are.